Money isn't just math. It's not just numbers, charts, and bank accounts. It's emotion, behavior, psychology. And understanding that, that's what makes you truly wealthy. Let's break down 5 powerful lessons from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Lesson 1. Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave. You can have a PhD and still go broke, and you can be an average earner who becomes a millionaire. Why? Because money success is about habits, not IQ. Lesson 2. Save money, even when you don't have a goal. Most people only save for a car, a house, or a vacation. But Morgan says, save just to save, because life will surprise you. And cash gives you flexibility, freedom, and peace of mind. Lesson 3. Getting wealthy and staying wealthy are 2 different skills. Getting rich often comes from taking risks. But staying rich? That comes from being careful. You need both, the courage to grow and the caution to protect. Lesson 4. Never underestimate the power of time. Warren Buffett made most of his wealth after age 50, not because of a secret stock, but because he started young and stayed in the game. Compound interest is powerful, but only if you're patient. Lesson 5. Enough is the magic word. Chasing more, that's the fastest way to lose everything. Knowing when you have enough is the true mark of wealth. You don't need to win the race, you just need to finish it happy. Final thoughts. The biggest money lessons aren't about stock tips or crypto coins. They're about you, your mindset, your emotions, and your choices. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the money you save, the peace you feel, and the life you quietly build. So next time you think about money, don't just think numbers. Think psychology.